Welcome back to another video. Today I will show you another AI image generator tool. It is a Dream by WOMBO. It is a powerful AI image generator tool and you can easily create lots of images through it. The user interface is very easy. Any beginners can create image by this tool. When you first log into this tool, you will get an enter prompt tool where you can write about 200 character by your imagine. You can write first your imagine, then select the style. That then it will automatically generate the images. So I am trying a first one. I am writing a, I have written a baseball player hitting a ball. Then select the realistic option. Then click the create option. It will take some time to create images. So it has already created an image. Let's check. Uh, it has generated a person who is hitting the bat, but it doesn't seem the real actually, because its hands mm, goes to the back of the people, so it doesn't realistic. So I think in this case it is not perfect images, but you can use it, you can try it again, then you can get another images. Let's try another text. Table with lots of fruits and vegetable. Then I am again selecting the realistic and creating. Now check it. Looks that that is awesome. There are lots of fruits and vegetable on the table, and the image is showing more realistic, and its quality is very high. You can easily download it from its download option and use in your own blog or anything you want. Hope this will help you to generate more images for your blog and any marketing purposes. Thank you all. Hope you are will be well. Bye today.